What is going on YouTube? Corey here with the Tech Couple, and this video we're going to talk about a lock. Yeah, I know it sounds pretty boring, right? But no, this is a smart lock. It is the Premis by Kwikset. Comes with a touch screen. Want more? Let's dive in. Alright, so self-proclaimed, I'm more techie than I am handy, but Charisse convinced me, you can do it, boo. So I went ahead and tried to install the lock, and I gotta say, it wasn't that bad for your average non-handy guy. They come with all the instructions. The app actually has videos demonstrating how to install the lock, everything you need, the strike, the screws, all that jazz. You don't need a drill. Real simple. I got it installed in probably 20-25 minutes, but that's because I wanted to document the whole process. They say that it installs in minutes. Now that it's installed, how does it work? You've got three options, of course. You use your traditional key, which there's a dope feature called Smart Rekeying, which allows you to use the same key from your previous lock on the new one. It's really simple to set up, and we stay in an apartment, so yeah. No landlords or landladies upset with us. We definitely rekeyed our original keys. So that's option one. Second option is using the touchscreen on the front of the lock itself. I don't really fancy myself too excited about that one. I'll explain that to you in a second. Third option available to you is to use Siri on your phone or pretty much any iOS device you have. And then I said there's three, but fourthly, there's simply an app. Click up the app, tap unlock, there you go. So of course, after doing a little bit of research, I found that the Kwikset app is only available on iPhone, which is kind of a bummer because I think a smart lock would be appreciated by anyone who's in the technology, but currently it's only available in the iOS ecosystem. It does integrate with HomeKit, which does mean you have the ability to access your lock and unlock your doors remotely, but of course it requires you to have some sort of home hub. A home hub is pretty much an iPad or an Apple TV 3rd generation or later that's stuck in the house permanently so that you can connect and talk to other devices remotely via iCloud. So I don't know if it was maybe just us, but like the first week we had it installed, it seemed like remotely, I couldn't really access the lock. It kept spinning, telling me looking, telling me attempting to unlock, attempting to lock, attempting to lock, and it never actually worked. But after about a week, everything kind of set in and it's been smooth sailing ever since. One of the things I do like about the touchscreen is the ability to set up codes that other people can use to get inside of your house. You can set up 30 unique access codes for the lock for a variety of different situations, whether that's your dog sitter needs to get in on Thursdays, or someone needs to get in for one specific occasion, or realistically a code for you to get in if you lose your keys or something. So right up front, remote access became somewhat invaluable to us. We had edited a wedding video for a couple of our friends, and we were scheduled to kind of meet up with them to drop off that video on a flash drive. Left it at home, we were long gone, and like I said, he really needed to get that video. So I pulled out my phone, set up a code for him, sent him a text message, told him what he needed to do to unlock the door. He got in the house, grabbed the flash drive, life went on. Of course, one of the benefits about it is HomeKit does give you a notification every time your door is locked or unlocked, so I knew exactly when he entered the house, exactly when he left, exactly when the door was locked. They have all the customization to prevent unauthorized access and to make sure that the people you want in your house can only get in when you want them in the house. So I went outside in between takes just to get some B-roll of how like the locking and unlocking feature works, and I wanted to demo the one-time code, and no brownie points to Kwikset because I never got it to work. It literally sat giving me error message, wouldn't accept the code, tried random codes, tried 0000, tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not that happy about that, and my feet is cold. I thought it'd take me a couple seconds, so I didn't put shoes on. In North Carolina, it's like 20 degrees outside right now. But enough of my rant, back to the review. Also, one of the cool features of the app is something called auto lock. So pretty much if the door is unlocked, you can set a period of time before the door pretty much locks itself back. So whether that's 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, you can set it so that if you're a forgetful person, like I am, you can automatically have the door locked behind you so that you don't have your wife upset with you. It's using Apple's end-to-end encryption, so you're secure there. And then still on the same vein of security for all you super secure people, the app does keep a running log of pretty much all the interaction with the door. How it was unlocked, when it was unlocked, who unlocked it, when it was locked back. So you have complete access as far as what's going on in the entryway into your home. Certainly a dope setup. The only problem or qualm that we have is the touchscreen. I don't know. So I'm glad it's there because of course if you're without a phone, your phone's dead, you don't got your keys. There are ultimately backup ways to get inside of your house, but it feels like the conjure code to unlock the thing. So you have to either hold your palm on the touchscreen for 3 seconds, touch the touchscreen with 3 fingers or more, or hold your hand on the bottom left-hand corner of the lock. It's just a lot. And even after that, you still have to touch 2 of the random buttons that the system kind of randomly generates to actually unlock the lock. Then, once the screen's unlocked, then you have to put in your 6-digit or 4 to 6-digit code to actually unlock the lock. Whew, I'm tired just talking about it. So if you can imagine every time someone comes to your house, them having to do that, it's almost like I need an instructional video just to show you how to get access into my home. So yeah, I would probably tell my friends, hey, download this app and you can get in pretty quickly. The battery seems to be pretty good on the lock itself. We've had it for probably going on 3 weeks and it's chilling right around 87%. So it should last for a couple months before you need to change the battery. It just takes 4 takes 4 of the A batteries, double or triple, not really sure. Certainly a dope setup. Like I said, we live in an apartment complex, so having a touchscreen lock on the front door that's not on any other unit is just kind of signaling, hey, you guys are fancy, what's inside? Thanks to Trey, he hit us up and said, hey, you guys want to review a smart lock and made that happen for us, so shout outs to him. If you want to check it out, I'll keep links down below to where you can check all that stuff out. Did you like the smart lock or you want to see more? Let us know. We do have an upcoming video talking about HomeKit, the updates to iOS 11 and how HomeKit's now family friendly, so be on the lookout for that. The only way you'll know first is to subscribe, hit that notification button. If you have any comments or questions about the lock, let me know. Charisse or I, or both, are always extremely active in the comment section. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you, probably with Charisse, in the next video.